Hello dear student, today we study the poles and zeros and stability. The poles and zeros are the properties of transfer function which characterize the differential equation and provide the complete description of the behavior of the systems. The poles of transfer function are the root of the characteristic equation in the denominator of the transfer function. The zeros of the transfer function are the root of characteristic equation in the numerator of the transfer functions. So in this S plane, the poles are all poles in the negative planes, the left side of the S plane, that is the system is stable if the all poles on the imaginary axis, the system is a marginally stability or the limited stability. We can just call it the limited stability. If any poles on the positive of S planes, the system is unstable. So this location of the poles we can show in the figure A. So this overdamped is stable. Figure B is showing this imaginary axis, that is the figure is undamped, is unstable. Figure is C is underdamped, so that is the stable. Now the figure D is a critical damp, the stable. Now the damping system of the response we can do the unstable. The natural frequency also is the instability. So example, poles zero diagram and stability. So one expression, the G transfer function is equal to G is equal to S plus 4 divided by S square plus 6x plus 5. So we can to calculate the roots. So first root is S plus 4 divided by S in bracket S plus 1, second bracket is S plus 5. So numerator is S plus 4 is equal to 0. So we can to calculate the zeros is minus 4, and similarly denominator is a two roots, S plus 1 is equal to 0, that means is a minus 1, second is a S plus 5 is equal to minus 5. The pole is denoted by X and 0 denoted by 0. So we can to show in the figure in the S planes. So minus 5 and minus 1 is the poles and minus 4 is the 0. The system is stable. Now we can to find the stability. The expression is converted S plus 4 divided by S plus 1 in one bracket and second bracket S plus 5 is equal to A divided by S plus 1 plus B divided by S plus 4. So now we can to equate these equations. S plus 4 is equal to S plus 5 into A plus S plus 1 into B. So now this S value here from the collected 1 is equal to A plus B. Now 4 is equal to 5 A plus B. So rearranging, and we can calculate the A's value is equal to 1 and B's value is equal to minus 1. This value put in the equations. S plus 4 divided by S plus 1 in second bracket S plus 5 is equal to 1 divided by S plus 1 plus minus 1 S plus 5. So now in this converted in the exponential form, so this basic formula is equal to A S plus A equal to capital A into small exponential minus A into T. So we can do this F of T is equal to minus E is minus T and plus E raised to minus phi 2. So we can do the draw this figure exponential forms, that is the stable regions. Now we can do in these locations, so this stable region and unstable regions. So example, identification of the poles. So again the transfer functions. So we can calculate that this is the root. So these poles are located minus 0.025 plus or minus 1.29 I. So this is the root is minus 2.50. This is a 0 is located at minus 4. The system is stable. So the for initial condition, if the response system is a decayed or equilibrium, the system is pre-assumed to the stables. The real part of the poles is given system must be in the left side S plane. The system is to be stables. If the poles are positive or in the real part, the system is deemed to be unstable. If the poles on have to value 0 on the system is deemed to the marginally stables. Thank you.